Good afternoon, sir.
So have you guys created the login and the sign in? Sorry, the register part and the sign in page.
मैंने किया है थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन काफी सारा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। तो वो थोड़ा, काफी सारा नहीं, थोड़ा एक ही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कोई। तो वो थोड़ा देख लीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा।
Okay, okay. So okay, so I am also doing it side by side. So since you all know, like all are doing your projects on Vite.js, like your personal project in the previous class we told. So I am also using Vite.js now. So that's the this command already. So if I uh, so Vite.js is actually a build tool, which is actually faster, as I have also experienced it, and it's a lot faster than when we make a normal React project. So we can use Vite.js with React. That's why I will name the project as frontend, because it will be at a folder name frontend, and I will select the option of React here. This one is coming now. Press enter. Also, we will be using JavaScript, and now,
तो पास में और एक था
uh,
ना, जावास्क्रिप्ट SWE।
yeah, I don't know about that. After that,
और स्पीड
npm.
होता है।
What?
वो ज्यादा स्पीड होता है, मतलब ज्यादा स्मूथ रहता है वो।
Okay, I have not researched much on that. What is the difference? So, use most of the time I use JavaScript. If you have experience that it's faster than that, like I will also check it out. That's,
So first change the directory to
yeah, yeah. Actually, the
front.
Zoom is coming also. I want to shift it this. And which this you can run with npm run devs. It is not. What happened? I think I
Sir, first you have to
installed.
write the npm installer here.
Yeah, I written. Okay, that I. Okay, I thought that.
You written that file.
But I'm looking at what is why this created here. This
Because
file.
you are in backend training. You are creating that file, na?
Yes, sir.
That's why package.log log that JSON. You can delete this. Yeah.
Okay, so the page is working now. I will clean up the page first. Now the commands, no problem. Let's also solve the. Let's also rewrite the right React outer DOM here. PMI. And we'll be needing the Axios as well to fetch the API. So write npm Axios. And let's see. So first of all, let's make a page in the source folder. Set pages and inside the pages, create a page called login.js. File name, difference file navigator. I think I deleted.
So uh, in the Vite now you have to create a JSX page. Otherwise it
Yeah,
will
earlier I
like
also created the JSX. Was
so.
giving error that time also.
अच्छा वो मेरा एक एरर आ रहा है, वो जरा जरा देख दीजिएगा, हाँ।
Yeah, I will.
Sir, you can do one thing. You can whenever in Vite, I was checking in Wave actually. It was saying that whenever we are creating a file in Vite, we have to
Hmm.
create the file in uppercase for the first letter, and here
Okay,
after const login, L should be
but
yes.
I changed earlier. After that, it was also
And,
giving the error. That's why I was go back.
like I'm assuming
Uh,
this is the problem.
I think I made some mistake while installing it. There was a file that came and I deleted that. It may happen that
The
I
package.
missed. Yeah, yeah, I
Yes,
will
sir.
change.
Package log.json is here only. Check.
Yeah, but earlier it was something was here also at the root
Yeah,
directory. When I
because
didn't.
you install the npm in backend training folder. That's why.
Yes.
So could you tell me again how the Vite is installed?
Yes,
How it is
sure, sure.
installed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think I'm
Wait, I am
thinking to
sharing.
uh,
in
Install it, reinstall it.
Okay, sir.
Because I am also facing the problem. Usually I have done projects on Vite, but here only I face some problem. Okay, let's see.
even go to
Sir,
the
I had
like
sir, I had already created a front-end folder. So now I have to install Meet.
So you have created an in React, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so
for
also you must have done the code there.
Sorry, sir?
You have also done the code part there or no?
No, no, sir, no.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you
sir,
can
I have
do. Okay,
created,
let's
but I
try it
have
again.
created with React application, not with Vite actually.
Okay, no problem. Let's
Okay.
try again.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure.
backend, ammonia there. So Chandrasekhar, if you want to follow, so you can write this command as well.
Yes, sir.
npm create Vite latest. So it is given in the documentation. It was there. I, and then enter.
My project is so.
And I am naming it the name frontend because it will create a folder named frontend. And you have to choose any one of it. Since we are doing it with React, that's why make it here. Right. Click on React and press enter. And then we are using
Sir,
JavaScript.
sir, when I wrote here front-end, it shows me remove existing files and continue, cancel operation, ignore files and continue. Use
Have you
arrow.
already made a folder named frontend?
Yes, sir.
So that's why like there can't be the two folders with the same name.
So what I choose here, cancel operation.
Either you have to change the name
Yes, you
of
can
your
cancel.
previous folder, like a normal React. I think you have to change the name of it. And after selecting the framework React, I'm selecting the variant that is JavaScript. So now I was making mistake here. I have to go to the directory frontend. Yeah, here npm install.
Just rename the folder name and it shows me vanilla view React
Yeah,
React
React.
live
You have
base.
to choose React. After select a variant, then it is JavaScript. Okay, now we are in the front end and npm install is also no npm run dev. So Chandrasekhar, you have done till here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, go to the directory of front end and write npm install, and after that, npm run dev. Once you are done with the npm install.
In npm install npm run dev.
Yeah, npm run dev after you have done the npm install part.
Yes, sir.
Let's try it again. I will clear the index.
Shows me error, sir.
What kind of error?
Sir, npm error missing script dev.
What you have written npm run dev,
Yes, sir.
and earlier that you have to write npm install.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will have a look. Okay, now here just let's wait 2 minutes. I'm just checking if I'm getting the same error that I was getting earlier. So I made the same pages. Oh, sorry, I made a folder that is pages. Inside that I
जी घरे
put
घरे
pages, and inside the pages
भितुरगा
I'm
भितुरगा
who is this?
भितुर भितुरगा सुनो
Actually, your mic is on, Chandrasekhar. Register.jsx. Let's see if we again. Okay, again. Why the file name already different? So included file name. File in the program run imported to from the program. New file name because
So, sir, from if
yes.
you write like dot slash before React, maybe
Where? Here?
yes, dot slash. Remove the React and yeah, and then maybe
Here is right. But why we are like earlier also I have created this project. It was never giving such error. So if my app.jsx, let's call our register page. You can see here it's not giving any error,
ah
but there
yes,
only yeah, and now it's giving an error here. Already
yes,
including file
yes,
name.
yes. I am checking it. Sir, try try to like name the file in front capital letter for the first letter. Like register, you have to write the R in capital.
Okay.
Uh, yes, you can try that once. You know,
Yeah, by mistake.
just rename that.
Okay, now also think there is any update that came in the past few days in the Vite.js.
No, sir, not. No, sir. I don't think so. Any update is there. So you can like check the like what this the error is coming. You can check with the chat GPT once if, if you are not
Uh,
sure.
mm,
Yes. Oh, what is the error this one? But let me try once.
इधर क्या एरर आ रहा है? Already included.
included file name in the backend training, frontend.
ये बोला कि पेजेस के अंदर रजिस्टर करके
Okay,
कुछ है
you can see the name. Here it is capital F and here it is small f. Why is that?
So before pages
Only in
give
casing, I guess. I guess there is some like
yes.
says it is small f and it's capital F.
Okay. Do
But we
one thing, sir.
created with the template.
Hmm, yes, before pages, you can give the SRC and front end as well. Maybe that will remove the error. Huh.
Before
Here.
pages here.
Yes, yes, yes. Here. Try once.
Sarsi.
Uh, before front SRC is after front end, sir.
Okay, okay, yes.
Try that. I don't know whether it is going to solve or not. Is it okay now?
And now it's showing error here. It says we have to go back.
Okay. Okay.
But
So it is not.
पाथ डिफाइन ऐसे नहीं होता है.
yeah, that so we were just checking it.
ऑटोमेटिकली एक करके देखिए, दो दो फुल स्टॉप देके देख, दो डॉट देके देखिए ऑटोमेटिकली फ्रंट एंड आ रहा है कि नहीं, मतलब सजेशन आ रहा है कि नहीं.
So are you guys also getting the same error in your
नो,
laptop? Only mine.
मेरा तो आया नहीं.
So you have done using Vite, right?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you
इंपोर्ट
paste that?
करने से पहले ये करके देखिए ना, वो जो ऐप में जाइए.
So
I
right now it
think
is
I
not
will
giving any error,
start.
right?
For me, it is giving any error, giving an error in here.
Output.
Here it was giving. Yeah, this
Uh,
part was giving you error because we can't says we can't use that. If I go to the register page, now it's showing fine here. I
uh,
don't know now, but why it's happening?
I
Now,
guess
if
there is
I
some like
remove this part
location
also,
problem.
uh,
Uh,
yeah, this was right. Yeah, now it's not giving any error.
I guess it is a like a location path problem maybe.
If I write the register line again, import register, just remove this as well. CSX says React. Must try to import it again. Now it's not showing it in the hint section. Must manually import it.
It is
So now
coming.
it's not showing any error.
Yes.
ये तो आ गया.
Like it's automatically got resolved. We didn't
Yes. Yes.
use what kind of errors. Let's restart it, everything.
ये तो हो गया.
Well, now it's running back. Okay. So now you can show Soumya Jyoti if you are facing any. I'm giving you the permission to share the screen. Mm.
ये पॉइंटर.
Yeah, you can share now.
पर मैं.
Yeah, yeah.
If you are facing any error, you can share.
I think my laptop, actually the RAM or the memory space is very low. I think it took time to maybe to read the files initial
अच्छा,
may have happened. What
ये
what's the
दिख
error
रहा है
you
यहाँ?
have got? Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम बात ये है कि मैंने कर रहा था रजिस्ट्रेशन। हाँ, तो ये पहले मैंने जो किया है लॉगिन फॉर्म, पहले तो लॉगिन फॉर्म सिर्फ एक ही था, तो रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म बाद में आया। लॉगिन जब पहले किया था app.js में, मैंने ये पे राउटर वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाया था, डायरेक्टली ऐसे खाली ये कर दिया था लॉगिन। और फिर जाके मैंने इधर देख पा रहा था एक अच्छा चीज, मतलब इधर देखने को मिल रहा था। लेकिन
Okay.
जब ऑन है इधर, फिर राउटर लगाया मैंने, फिर जाके इधर कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, पूरा ब्लैंक आ रहा है,
Can
क्यों
you go
पता नहीं।
to index.js, like main.jsx, main.js. Yes. So here you have not like given the browser router.
ब्राउजर राउटर मतलब कहाँ पे रखना है वो?
So you can't just use the routes
ओके।
directly. You have to provide the browser router. So in your let's say in the line 5, in the
ओके।
fifth line, yeah, write import. Then in curly braces, like
हम्म।
browser. B is in capital. Yeah, this one. Click enter. Yeah, now wrap your app with the browser router.
ओके, ब्राउजर राउटर।
Yeah, that you have imported above. And then wrap it,
हम्म।
like closing tab also. So this is actually used to provide the routing functionality to our application.
अच्छा अच्छा, इधर भी करना पड़ता है इधर?
No, 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 no. The whole app, your whole app is now wrapped. That's why you don't need to do here. Now try. Now you are getting the error like import React. Can you hover on that in the line one? React is defined but never used. But why is it giving error?
हम्म, इधर क्या करूँ?
I think in your UI in your UI it's giving red when it's give any suggestion or warning. I think it's not an error. So try to run the project.
ये चल रहा है, चल रहा है,
Oh, on the browser. Now
लेकिन
go to
नहीं आ
your
रहा
inspect. So okay. Now go back
है। हाँ।
because currently you are on the actually home route. That's why.
ओके। ओके।
And check your routes. What are the routes that you are given? You are given login, and also add
लॉगिन।
slash on the in the front of login in like in the path section. No, you don't need. Yeah, and in the register as well. Okay, now go to your browser. Now in the URL after 5173, write slash login.
हाँ,
Yeah,
अब तो
that's
आ
why
रहा है।
because you are currently on the you should be on the login route, but you are currently on the home route. So you should make a home route by default. You should
हम्म।
make a okay. So in the routes that you have made, yeah, here you should make a simple route like an empty route or a home route. Yeah, like this. And here you can add an element called home page. Yeah, it's
मतलब
your
ऐसा?
wish. You can even yeah there.
अच्छा अच्छा, समझ गया।
Now everything is working fine or any problem?
हाँ, वर्किंग फाइन। और जो और एक चीज बता दीजिए, मैं रजिस्टर कर का पेज अगर कंप्लीट जब हो जाएगा ना, तब डोंट हैव एन अकाउंट, तो इधर मैं अगर क्लिक करूंगा तो
So it should go to the create page.
हाँ, रजिस्टर पेज, रजिस्टर पेज पे मुझे रेटिंग होना
Okay.
चाहिए।
Okay. Go to your login form
हम्म।
and in the button on 36 line, give a prop named on click.
कौन सा
Yeah,
जगह में?
after the class name.
लास्ट
When
नेम।
the class, yeah, when the class name is finished, yeah, there is a prop.
हम्म।
Not here. like one space after.
मैं
Yeah,
समझा
there
नहीं
is a
एक्चुअली
on.
मतलब।
Yeah, now we have to write on click.
अच्छा, ऑन क्लिक वाला फंक्शन।
Yeah,
ऑन क्लिक।
and then give any function. Let's say handle
अच्छा,
click.
हैंडल क्लिक, हैंडल
Yeah,
क्लिक।
and go scroll. No, you don't need to write this brackets because it will call automatically.
ओके।
Now it will only call when you click. Okay, so
अच्छा,
and now make a handle click function.
मतलब कौन सा फंक्शन, एरो फंक्शन या नॉर्मल फंक्शन?
It's your wish. You want to arrow function, write const is equal to handle click.
ठीक है,
Like
फिर?
const is equal, yeah, const handle click. You have to
हम्म।
give a place. Yeah, now right here. Once we go to that, right here navigate. Okay, you have also, yeah, yeah. Now we get now in the before this function in the line
हम्म।
5, write
ओके।
const. Yeah, enter. Write const, and you have to do basic navigation. You can name it ending. Let's say navigate. Write navigate. A small n. You can name it anything, but it's the naming convention. And then call the navigate function. No, no, not like this. That you the navigate part that you have imported in the second line.
अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब इधर में कोई ये नेविगेट के में
Just
क्या
a
लिखना है?
backspace. Write backspace here. Yeah. And write navigate that
क्या लिखना, क्या क्या लिखूं?
you have to write navigate.
नेविगेट।
And after in your like line number 7,
हम्म।
you have to write navigate, and in that give the path that you want to access.
हम्म।
And what's the path? Let me know.
रजिस्टर।
Uh, no, it's actually small n.
कौन सा?
Yeah, there is some problem. I will tell afterwards once you try. Yeah, now try if you see if you are getting.
ये भी स्मॉल होगा ना?
See, but you are doing mistake if you are able to, because I have already taught you the navigation, like how to actually do the navigate.
अच्छा अच्छा,
Take
नेविगेट से करना होगा तो
take
ये मैं देख लूंगा।
Yeah, so
ओके।
that's the process. So actually there is a problem. So I will give it to you, the task to you.
अच्छा
Try to do it yourself. You have, if not, try to like watch the lecture again.
अच्छा,
Okay.
ठीक है, क्लोज कर
Otherwise
रहा हूँ।
tomorrow. And Chandrasekhar also, you are also having some problem.
Sir, sir, I will try to do it myself, sir, after this class, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have,
Who is presenting?
I am, uh,
Okay, Ankush. Yes, yes.
yes. Actually, I have written this one. Okay. Uh,
Yes, yes.
अच्छा, ये जो
uh,
रिडायरेक्ट होता है नेविगेट, ये मैं नेविगेट यूज ना करके लिंक से भी होता है क्या, लिंक?
Link. I think you have not joined the front end class. I told the difference between like when we use the link and when we use the navigate.
अच्छा,
So in I have uploaded, uh, I guess the what number is it's the
कौन सा
fourth
वाला
or
वीडियो
fifth.
में है?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
फास्ट मतलब आप
Yeah, I'm telling the video number that you should watch. It was React Outer DOM. Yeah, it's the fourth session four. In the thumbnail, it is written session four.
सेशन 4?
Yeah, in the thumbnail
ओके
itself, it's written. So it was about React Outer DOM link navigate. So we'll get to know when to use navigate and when.
ओके
So I'm uploading the video, but you should also watch side by side. Yes, Ankush, what are your issue?
I have created this one. No, I don't have an issue. I'm just showing.
Okay, okay, that's good.
One thing. One issue I have faced that the phone input I didn't add actually. I have add the name input, I have add the email input and password input, but
Yeah,
the
you can
phone
also
input
add the phone. Give the type
the
is
one
equal
I'm
to number.
yes. Okay. Right.
Just copy
One
and
thing
give the
sir,
type number. Yes.
that the uh, like I have downloaded the assets like
Yes.
PNG, the email, password, and a person, like for the UI.
You can. Yeah, you should have used the React icons. I guess because
Yes,
PNG is.
yes,
I
yes.
think it is a bit heavy and larger
Hmm.
in size. So yeah, it's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay. You can do this also, but it's maybe heavy. So you can replace it with React icons.
Okay, I'll do that. And right now in Vite, you have installed the React Router DOM and Axios, and any more thing you have
No,
installed?
no, 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 no.
Okay, only
Only these
Axios
two.
and Router DOM, right?
Yes, sir. And while
Oh,
making for
okay.
the phone, give the type is in number, and the rest,
Yes, yes.
yeah, you are good. Now I will show how to register it actually. So you can stop
Yeah,
share
right,
once.
right.
Yeah, so I will add the React Router DOM afterwards. So first I will make a basic register page, say a register, and delete it. Give a heading register, and after that I will let's say make a form, and the form first of all I will give a label. Let's say the label name is for registering. First we need his name, and for that name I'm going to give the input, and in the input the type of name should be, let's say, text, and the placeholder, like we don't need it, the label is there. Uh, okay. So after the input, similarly, I want to give, we need four labels for that. And the second is email. Third one is password. And the fourth one is phone. Give the type of phone to number and the password to password. So we have created this small form. Not working on the UI right now, and also I will create a button. Say button, Inside the button, we write submit, and the button type is submit, and form. When we on submit, we should run a function that is handle submit. So also now, I think you have done till here something like this, but with a better UI. The handle it is giving error because I have not made this handle submit right here. But we have to do it. We have to make the state variables for each of them. So we can do it with the form data also. But today we will do it with the separate state variables. So let's say use state. We have to import and use state snippet. So I will write here name, and initially the name is empty. And I will copy this. The name after that, email, set email, set password, and then set phone. And yeah, after that, give the value here as well. Like the name value of this input should be name. And when it's changed, as we did earlier, on change, what we will do is we will give the value of set name, e dot target dot value, and we'll be able to get the value inside it. Do this for all of and set phone, set password, and set uh, email. So do till here. It's just create four variables and then write the value and on change. You can keep your own UI. Just add this value and on change just in every pop.
Sir, can you please go scroll up once? Okay. Okay.
I hope you have done small changes that you have to make is value and on change, and after that the use state variables. So next step, first of all, we will import the Axios. I think we have not installed it also. So after installing Axios, what we have to do is now we have to make a request, and how we were making that request. First, we have to so request would be made on when we click on the handle submit. So in the handle submit, we have to make the function say const handle submit, and it will be a async function. Say a, it is given so that I will write e dot prevent dot default so that I will save my page from refreshing. I don't want my page to refresh. And after that, we have to write try and catch block for this. Say if I get any error, I want to see the error also, and also I will make a alert box. Now I want to see the error in the UI. And in the catch block, what we used to do is now I want to get the response. So what we have to do is let's say const response and await. Yeah. So now is the main part. So earlier we were making the request in the movie project. First we have to check what is the method. So if I go to the routes, so the method is post, right? For the register. So if I go to my register.js, I will write exhaust.post. And after that, I have to give the address, like at which endpoint I am giving. So what we have to do is so copy this part, paste it here. So you can see it's written 5173, but our backend is on the port number. Now go to the .env file in backend. It is on port number 3000. That's why I will write here 3000. And rest is same. And currently we are on the home endpoint with the root endpoint. And after that, where were we? Where is first we want to get the auth. So right here auth, and inside the auth, there were the auth routes. So auth route, there are three routes inside the auth, but we want this only, that is register. So paste this here. So you see, this is our endpoint that we got. It is the port number. It is the route inside the auth, and then we go to register. And once we reach this route, we want to send the data, right? For registering. So we will send the data. What was the data? These all name, email, password, and phone. It's the name, email, password, and phone. And if you go to my auth controller, you can see this. That's why we wrote here name, email, password, and phone. So these are the all four things that we will send from our front end. And in our backend, when we write request.body, we'll be able to get that four items, and we will restructure it. And after that, perform our rest of the backend functionalities. And after this, but let's see. we should get a response from the backend. What response did we send in the register? We sent a response that is a success is true. Message we will get user registered successfully. We will also get the user data. So once we get the response, we should try to see what we will get in the response. So this was the part that I was doing. That was the main part. So make a function, give the method type, give the endpoint. These are the endpoint. The URL is here and the port number and what are the data that you want to send. And you will get that in the response. Anything that is sent from the backend. Let's see if it's working or not. Say your name is and anything. Uh, right now it's not validated. Nothing is validated, and we will do that afterwards. Any password and let's say just click on send. We are not getting anything. Okay, Axios error, network error. What kind of error is this? If we go to the inspect, handle submit is not defined. Where?
कॉर्ड्स यूज किया आपने?
Yeah, that's what I was going to tell, but it's not a course error right now. Wait, I think my backend is not started. Yeah, backend is also not started. That's why I was not getting the course error.
Okay, so in order to get the output, you have to start the backend as well with the
Yes,
front.
yes. Yeah, yeah. So we are running that on the different, you can say, terminals. We go to plus and here's the front end and here is backend. Yeah, so backend is successfully running. Server is started and database is connected. Let's see if we are getting it again. I will refresh it. Anything Axios error, network error. Okay, so that was the error that I was expecting to come. This is basically the course error. So what is course? So course is basically you can say a security feature which is provided by the backend. So it restrict our web pages to make requests to different domains. So what we have to do it, let's say in the server.js, we have to allow our course to like so that everyone can make the request here. So what we have to do is in the backend, we have to install npm I cors course, and after installing the course, we will require it. The charging is low.
What? So why we are using codes and how it works, sir?
Yeah, we are using course so that different origins can uh, make a request to our backend. For
Okay, sir.
example, right now we are
The
making a
code means
request
is what, sir?
from this front end, right? So we are trying to make a request from front end, but by
Okay.
default, it's like the browser doesn't allow that. That's why in the server, first we will require our course so that everyone can make a request here. So
कोर्स
after that,
फ्रंट एंड पे
so
लगाना है ना बैक? बोलो.
no, in the backend.
ओके.
So it's basically a middleware. So we have to use
हम्म.
it app.use and call this course function. Now we will be able to make the request to our backend, to our server, you can say. Let's say if we get uh, yeah, install here, I submit. Okay, now you can see here we are able to successfully get the data because we have allowed our origin, or you can say the front end, make the request to our backend after we write app.use course. So you can see the data is coming here. Data inside the data, we will get the message user registered successfully.
The other way.
Success is true, and you can see how why we are getting this because in the auth controller we made this part. So this part only we are getting here in the browser because this will go as a response, and here we will get our response. So response will go here and we will print it. So response.data.user will get us this, and dot email will get us this. Response.data.user.name will get us this, and the password, actually we don't want to show the password, so we can remove that in our backend. Mm, yeah, currently we were directly sending our user, but instead of directly sending the user, we can write here uh, say name, email. Like any of you tried this? Is it working for you?
Sir, writing the code.
Okay.
Actually, sir, one thing, the email is not valid. You just typed random text. So
Yeah,
how
we have,
is
we
it
have not
fixed?
we have not any validation in the form. Now it will
Okay,
work.
so the email
Anything
part
random
you
will work.
written text.
Yeah, text is written, but
No,
text also accept
oh,
numbers and
okay, okay. So here we can write a type email in the input email.
okay, okay. Yeah, that's another way. I was
Yeah, then
thinking
we
of
don't have
like
to worry
doing
about that.
the validation and after like a separate validation where we validate each and
Okay, okay,
everything. Let's say the password length also different things.
okay, okay. That will be great.
Yeah, yeah. Small change. So you can see here you are getting the name, email, and phone only because I didn't send my password to my front end. You can see the data. Now we are only getting name,
Name,
phone,
email,
and
and
email.
yes. Why email is coming at the top?
I think it's based on the alphabetical order. E, A, B, C, D,
Okay.
E, F. So it's everything. So C is greater than like comes first. So C, D,
Mm-hmm.
E, F, G, H.
Yes, yes.
मुझे लगता है स्कीमा जहाँ पे किया है आपने, उस जगह देखिए ना एक बार वो
What?
स्कीमा जहाँ पे डिफाइन किया था आपने डीबी का,
Yeah,
उधर.
what you have to do here?
इधर इधर भी तो ईमेल नीचे है. अरे ठीक है, वो ये अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में ही
No,
आ रहा है.
that is alphabetic. Yes.
हम्म.
So, can you tell anyone tell how will the login? We will do login. Like it's almost the same process.
हम्म.
So what changes we have to do is you can do it by tomorrow. So will take only 5 minutes. I will tell you the
हम्म
process. If anyone
हम्म
will face any issues, you will see. So you just have to change the endpoint here. Okay. So endpoint,
Yes.
you have to write login, and also in the controller, sorry, not this one. Yeah, auth controller is already go. So in the login, we only want these two things, email and password. So you can even remove phone and name, and you only need these two only, email and you can even remove this part. So login is also same, like will be same. You just have to write login here and then delete the two of them, like phone and name here. Now what will happen after login? I will explain some steps what we will do. After the login, we will get the token also here. So we will get the token in the front end. After that,
नाम
in
था
the front end, we will save the token. Then we will use the token to access the routes without actually signing up every time. Okay, so this is a small task. Try to complete by tomorrow. And also and check in the backend if you are getting it. If earlier there was only one. If I refresh, you can see one of three. So there are actually three users now created. We have not done any kind of validation right now, but we are actually getting three users. So anyone getting this, anyone facing any problem in getting the result or the response?
या
Ankush, you are getting this.
Yes, sir. No problem is there, but I didn't connect the backend yet.
You didn't connect the back, like the handle submit part.
Yes, I am like doing that part. Actually. I was checking your
Okay,
code actually.
okay,
No issues. I'll
okay.
do once.
Okay, just 2 minutes. If you can copy this after that,
Yes, yes. I
and
am
also
doing.
what
Okay.
this class.
अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन था
Yes, I am also pushing the code right now.
हाँ वो जो बोल रहा था मैं
What were you saying?
हाँ वो मैं मेरा मोंगो डीबी एटलस में ठीक है मैं कितना सारा ये कर सकता हूँ एक साथ डीबी स्कीमा खोल सकता हूँ कर सकता हूँ
Currently, you are on the free version.
हाँ
There must be some, you can say, a storage. I guess it was something around 512 MB when I when we created that in the free
हाँ
version, I guess. So there are paid version also.
नो उतना वैसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं है तो बात है क्या जो फ्री वर्जन में 500 MB है ठीक है फिर जाके उधर मैं मतलब कितना सारा कर सकता हूँ ऐसा कनेक्शन कितना सारा बना सकता हूँ एक साथ
Connection, you mean? Okay, okay. So you can say you are saying that how scalable you can make.
हम्म
Hmm, like I don't have any idea to that because I've not made any scalable thing that I can
अच्छा
tell
आपने
you.
पहले जो जावेद